Good morning, dear children. Today let's solve the eighth question. The product of two decimal, okay, two number. The product means multiplication. Two number, product of two number. We don't know what is the number. Is 0.252. Okay, the product of two decimal is 0.252. If one number is 0.72, then find the another number what will come. Question understand now? Once again I am saying the product of two number, the multiplication of two number is 0.252. Then the one of the number is 0.72. Then what is the other number? Okay, the unknown number, let's take x. Okay, now we are going to find the unknown number. What is the other number? This x we are going to find. We know what to do, how to find the x only keep here, the remaining number take that side. Okay, this side already 0.252 is there, and this number will go there. What if the number is here addition, then it will go subtraction. The number is there subtraction, then it will go that side addition. If now this number is in multiplication, so it will go there division, opposite sign. Okay, division 0.72. Now here only x is there. Now just to divide the both number, you will get the x answer. Okay, that's all, simple. Okay, let's divide 0.252 divided by 0.72. Can you divide this both number? Yesterday only I taught you what to do. The divisor, first you should remove the point. How to remove in the divisor? After the point 2 digit, so multiply by 100 both the side, then the divisor point will remove, then we can divide properly. Understand? So let's multiply by 100 both the side. What this number will come? You can do this step as a rough. Okay, see, if you multiply this number by 100, point will move 2 number after right side, so this number will become 25.2. point will move 2 number after, and divided by, when you multiply this number, point move 2 number after 2 0, no, that's why. So 1 2 after 2 point will come at the last point, no need. So 7 2 72. Okay, now easily we can divide 25.2 and 72. See, I am dividing here 25.2 and 72, and take first 25 is smaller than 72, we can't divide. So what to do? We need to take one more number, but before that number there is point, so put point in the quotient, then take this number. Okay, now 252. 72 3s are 216. Okay, now subtract. 2 can't subtract, take 1 from here, it will become 12. 12 minus 6 6, here 4. 4 minus 1 3, and 2 minus 2 0. Now 36. Smaller than 72, we can't divide, and there is no number to take down. So what to do? Put point in the quotient, add 0. Already we have put the point in the quotient, so we can add 0. Okay, now 72 5s are 360, and subtract 0. So what is our answer? 0.35 means 0.35. So our x answer is 0.35. You can check your answer. We found that 0.72 multiply x value is 0.35. Multiply the both number, you will get this answer. You can check like this if your answer is right or wrong. Now next question. A bar of chocolate cost 10 rupees 50 paise, and a packet of chips cost ₹6 75 paise. What will be the cost of 8 bars of chocolate and 5 packet of chips together? Okay, first let's write a step. A cost of 1 chocolate bar is equal to ₹10.50. Therefore, what is there? What is the question? What will be the cost of 8 bars of chocolates? So therefore, cost of 8 chocolate bar is equal to 10 rupees 50 paise multiply by 8. Multiply by 8. Okay, let's multiply. How much will be the cost of 8 chocolate? 0, 8 5s are 40, 0, 4 remainder, and 8 zeros are 0, 0 plus 4, 4, 8 ones are 8, and point. Here point after 2 number there is no point, so only 2 number before point from the last 2 number before. So cost of 8 chocolate 84 rupees 00 paise. It means 84 rupees 8 chocolate bar. Okay, now and what will be the cost of 5 packet of chips? First write cost of 1 packet chip. Cost of 1 packet chips is equal to rupees 6.75 paise, and therefore cost of 5 packets of chips is equal to 6.75 multiply 5. So what will come? 5 5s are 25, 2 remainder, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 2 37, 3 remainder, 3 5s are 30, 30 plus 3 33. Okay, now point. First number point after 2 number, and there is no point, so only 2 number before point. So 5 packet of chips is 33 rupees 75 paise, and 8 chocolate bars 84 rupees. Now see our question. What will be the cost of 8 bars of chocolate and 5 packets of chips together? So let's add the 8 chocolate bar cost and 5 chips cost. Both you have to add, then you will get the total cost. So therefore total cost is equal to 8 chocolate bar 84 rupees plus 5 chips packet 33 rupees 75 paise. Add the both number and write the total cost. What you will get? Here 75.7 and 11. So you just add and write, you will get this number 117.75 rupees totally. I hope you understand. Thank you.